Hi, Babawane here. Today we'll reveal our aircraft in Green Africa livery. Our first set of ATR 72-600s have been painted in the vibrant Green Africa livery and are due to arrive in Lagos, Nigeria anytime from now. This is the final step in our journey to build Green Africa into an efficient value carrier, and we'll remain committed to our mission to use the power of air travel to create a better future for everyone.
Aircraft painting is always a technical and regulated activity, but in this particular instance, we actually had some design elements from our brain that we wanted to incorporate into the livery, and that's what really made this such an interesting and challenging project. Pentagram of New York gave us the original design for the livery on this aircraft, and Pentagram is led by Eddie Opara, so they gave us the 2D rendering of what this would look like, and we had to then translate that into a practical application for the aircraft. So the technical drawings were done by Atlantic Aviation in Ireland, which helped to translate into something which is then regulated and something we could do as a minor modification on the aeroplane. The technical drawing for an aircraft livery can actually be up to 8 pages long. It includes a huge amount of detail, even down to literally on an aircraft drawing where each element would actually be situated on an aeroplane. The complexity that you have in that is still literally 2D. And when you're translating that onto an aircraft is a series of 3D shapes which don't all run in a straight line. This aircraft was painted in Johannesburg, South Africa, by a specialist paint company called Leeson. And the first challenge that we actually had with Leeson was actually what green is green. So we had multiple options that we were actually formulated, but because aircraft paint is very specialized, you can't just go down to the local hardware store and pick it up. It actually be formulated for you specifically. And these were some of the color designs that we had as options that we were actually shown by the paint shop to say, which green do you want? So we had multiple options that we were looking at, and we eliminated them progressively to try to say, well, which option works the best for us and best reflects the design elements that we had, but also what we wanted to show as Green Africa. So what we landed up with was Green Africa Green. So this is actually now a registered color with Mankiewicz in Germany, which will be specifically done for us, and all of our aircraft will be actually painted in this tone all around the world when they are actually painted as we go forward. Our aircraft is now proudly painted in Green Africa Green, and looking forward to welcoming you all on board and to show you this unique livery and our unique personification of us as an airline.
With the latest technology, the ATR 72-600 will be flying in Nigeria for the first time. We plan to deploy up to 15 aircraft between now and December 2022. In addition to Lagos, we plan to open between 2 to 3 bases within the country over the next 18 months. This will allow us to connect more cities, provide affordable fares to customers, and bring the joy and value of air travel to a much broader group of people. On behalf of the G team, our investors and the board, I'm very pleased and proud to introduce Green Africa's first 2 aircraft to you.